Hello and welcome. This is Gooey Dog again, and I just wanted to speak briefly about something concerning what we talked about earlier. That when you go to your tantien, when you stop thinking, and when you feel that sense of peace, contentment, and aliveness. It's been something that just happened recently, and it's not something that I understand fully, but well, here we go. So basically, every time I've gone to that place of peace, contentment, and aliveness, tantien, and I've come to that place of no thinking, like that peaceful contentment, it's as though that sense of peace, contentment, and aliveness has kind of expanded in myself, but it's always stopped at my throat. You know, like where my collarbones meet, at that area, not the Adam's apple if you have one, but below that. And there always seemed to be a block there, like it's like something blocking it. And for some reason that lasted for, I want to say 2 years, but maybe a year and 9 months and so forth. And to the point when I thought that I'm not going to get beyond this. Like every time I come to that sense of peace, contentment, and aliveness, my thoughts are kind of calm. There's this block in my throat, and I don't know why. And then, just like the example James Clear gives in the Atomic Habits, he says that an ice cube, you see it sitting on the counter, and the temperature is rising, nothing's happening. Temperature is rising, nothing is happening. But internally, all the work is being done. And at some point, at a particular temperature, it will start to melt. But it's not a linear. It's not a straightforward. It's not like with every second you see it melt. It seems like nothing's happening for a long while, and then all of a sudden it crumbles. So, well, not all of a sudden. You understand what I'm saying? But that's how it feels right now. It's like for a very long time there was this. No matter how peaceful I was, there was this kind of block in my throat, and then after about 2 years, and me thinking to myself, well, I'm not going to get past this. It's actually passed. So there's an expansion now. That's the good news. The other news is that it's very strange that when I do get to that place of contentment, peace, aliveness, there's some kind of some pain in the body, maybe some like in the shoulder or something that appears for some reason. The thing is that when you go to that place of peace, contentment, and aliveness, there will be a reaction from the pain body. That's from the old pain. It will react, and at first it reacts like almost reflex immediately. But after like 3 years or so forth, it starts to lose momentum. It starts to lose, and it will start to react less often, but it will react. So that's just a short one. If you like what you're hearing, make sure you subscribe. Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up, thumbs down. And thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.